Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add money to Luno Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Luno app on your Android or iPhone. If prompted, sign in using your email address and password. Now, before you can deposit money, I'd like you to know that Luno requires you to complete identity verification. And how do you do that? You have to click on your profile at the top of the screen, review your account status. If verification is complete, if it's incomplete, just follow the on-screen instruction to submit the required information. So you won't be able to add money until your identity has been successfully verified. So once that is in, just once you're signed in and it takes you here, you've been verified, everything is fine. Just go ahead and tap on portfolio at the bottom of the navigation bar. You see your available wallets, including your local currency wallet if it is supported in your country. So just go ahead and tap on your local currency wallet. So I'm coming. Now you see that I do not have wallets displayed here because I do not have crypto yet. So if you want to see your crypto wallet, you're gonna have to click on buy crypto. All right, complete Luno profile. And so if you've not, you can just go ahead and click on complete your Luno profile. So if this brings up for you and you click on complete Luno profile, just click on your profile icon there, click on account and settings, come over here, click on verification, and complete your verification process. You can click on let's go. You see that all of these pages, nothing is going to be displayed here because it is it's security proof. So here you have a lot of forms to fill out: your first name, your middle name, your date of birth, and you have some personal IDs to update. And once that is done, come over to portfolio again, and once you click on portfolio, then you should be able to see your crypto wallet. So from here, just go ahead and select the wallets. It could be NGN wallet or ZAR wallet or GBP wallet, whatever wallet that is. And inside your local currency wallet, you can just go ahead and tap on deposit. All right, and Luno will display all the deposit methods available for your region. Or if you don't see the deposit option, you can see receive. So go ahead and tap on receive. Now it says I have to complete my profile. Remember what I told you, how to complete your profile. Okay, so once you click on receive, still the same as deposits, then Luno will display all the deposit methods available for your region. These methods vary by country and may include bank transfer, instant bank transfer, instant EFT, Pay ID, FPX, touch and go wallets, just a couple of options. So you will see, or you only see the payment methods that are available in your country. So tap the payment method you want to use. For example, if your country supports bank transfers, select bank transfer, and the next step depends on the deposit method that you selected. So Luno will provide all the payment details you need. For example, maybe ask to enter the amount you want to deposit, review the transaction details, confirm the payment, complete the payment through your bank or payment provider. Just simply follow every instruction displayed on the screen. If you're depositing by bank transfer, make sure you send the money from a bank account registered in your own name. Use your required deposit reference and avoid making cash deposits or using someone else's bank account, as these deposits may be rejected or returned. After completing your payment, Luno will process the deposit. You receive a notification or email when the money has been credited to your wallet. Once the deposit has been processed, return to your portfolio, which we have in here. Open your local currency wallet and confirm that your updated balance is displayed. So your funds are now available for buying cryptocurrency or using other supported Luno services. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.